In today's world, where health and fitness are more important than ever, having the right smartwatch can make all the difference. That's why in this video, we're breaking down the top best Fitbit smartwatches you should buy to help you stay on track with your goals. And remember, all the links to buy these smartwatches are in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you want to get your hands on any of these. Let's get started with number 5. On number 5 we have Fitbit Charge 4. It's a powerful and sleek fitness tracker that goes beyond just counting steps. It is equipped with built-in GPS, advanced fitness and health features, and 24/7 heart rate tracking. It's designed for those who are serious about monitoring their health and achieving their fitness goals. Whether you're running, swimming, or simply going about your day, the Charge 4 provides accurate insights to help you stay on top of your fitness game. This device strikes the perfect balance between style, functionality, and affordability, making it one of the best in its category. Now talk about its notable key features. Number 1 key feature is its built-in GPS. You can track your outdoor runs, walks, and rides without needing your phone with precise GPS mapping and performance metrics like pace and distance. Number 2, it also offers heart rate monitoring. Continuous 24/7 heart rate tracking allows you to see your resting heart rate and get a clearer picture of your overall heart health. Number 3, it also provides active zone minutes. It measures the time you spend in target heart rate zones to help you achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Number 4, it also offers sleep tracking. It provides detailed insights into your sleep patterns, including time spent in light, deep, and REM sleep, along with a sleep score. Number 5, it also offers water resistance up to 50 meters. It's swim-proof design that allows you to track your activity even while swimming. Number 7, it also has Fitbit Pay. You can make contactless payments on the go with the built-in NFC chip. It also offers 7-day battery life, a long-lasting battery life that ensures you can keep up with your fitness routine without frequent recharges. Final verdict. The Fitbit Charge 4 is a fantastic fitness tracker that combines essential health metrics with smart features like built-in GPS and contactless payments. It's perfect for those looking for a versatile, everyday fitness companion that offers deep insights into their activity and sleep while also providing convenience for day-to-day life. Its sleek design, long battery life, and affordable price make it a top contender in the fitness tracker market. If you're looking for a device that balances advanced fitness tracking with practicality, the Fitbit Charge 4 is a highly recommended option. Number 4. On number 4 we have Fitbit Inspire 3. It's an entry-level fitness tracker that blends affordability with advanced health and fitness features. Designed for those looking to track their everyday activity, heart rate, and sleep patterns without breaking the bank, the Inspire 3 offers excellent value in a sleek and comfortable design. It's perfect for anyone wanting to stay on top of their health metrics without the complexity of higher-end smartwatches. Now talk about its notable key features. Number 1 key feature is its 24/7 heart rate monitoring system. It provides constant tracking of your heart rate to help you monitor fitness levels, detect resting heart rate trends, and optimize workouts. Number 2, it also offers stress management tools. It includes guided breathing exercises and a daily stress score to help manage stress levels. Number 3, it also provides sleep tracking and sleep score. It automatically tracks your sleep stages and gives insights with a sleep score to improve your sleep habits. Number 4, it also offers active zone minutes. It also tracks time spent in heart-pumping activity, encouraging you to meet weekly activity goals based on your fitness level. Number 5, it is also water-resistant up to 50 meters. It provides swim-proof design so you can track your workouts even in the pool or shower without worrying about damage. Number 6, it also offers up to 10 days of battery life. It offers long-lasting battery that eliminates the need for constant recharging, allowing you to track your health uninterrupted. It also provides call, text, and app notifications. You can stay connected with call, text, and app notifications right on your wrist, keeping you informed without reaching for your phone. It also has lightweight and comfortable design. It's designed for all-day wear, making it a perfect companion for daily activities. Final verdict. The Fitbit Inspire 3 strikes a perfect balance between affordability and functionality, making it an ideal choice for beginners or anyone looking for essential health tracking without the complexity of a premium device. Its long battery life, comfortable design, and insightful health metrics offer an impressive package in its price range. If you're looking for a simple yet efficient way to monitor your fitness and wellness, the Inspire 3 is a fantastic option. Number 3. On number 3, we have Fitbit Charge 5. It's a premium fitness tracker that takes your health monitoring to the next level. It offers a sleek design, advanced features, and a well-rounded approach to both fitness and wellness. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply looking to keep tabs on your overall health, the Charge 5 provides an in-depth look into your daily activities, heart health, sleep patterns, and stress levels. With built-in GPS, stress management tools, and a bright, vibrant AMOLED display, this device stands out as a leading contender in the fitness tracker market. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its AMOLED display. The Charge 5 features a bright, always-on AMOLED color touchscreen, providing better visibility even in bright sunlight. Number 2. It also offers built-in GPS. You can track your outdoor workouts, runs, and cycling sessions with built-in GPS, eliminating the need to carry your phone. Number 3. It also provides ECG app. The Fitbit Charge 5 includes an ECG app, which helps monitor your heart for irregular rhythms and potential atrial fibrillation. Number 4. It also has stress management tools with the EDS sensor. It measures your body's stress response, providing guided breathing exercises to help you manage stress. Number 5. It also provides daily readiness score, a new feature that uses insights from your fitness, sleep, and heart rate variability to determine if your body is ready for a workout or needs more rest. Number 6, it also offers advanced sleep tracking. It tracks sleep stages, duration, and quality, providing a sleep score to help you understand your rest and recovery patterns. Number 7, it also has health metrics dashboard. Track key health stats like oxygen saturation, heart rate variability, and skin temperature variations. Number 8, it also offers water resistance. The device is swim-proof with water resistance up to 50 meters, making it ideal for swimmers and those who want to wear it in all conditions. Number 9, it also provides long battery life. It lasts up to 7 days on a single charge, depending on usage, ensuring that you can monitor your fitness for extended periods without frequent charging. It also offers contactless payments. With Fitbit Pay, you can make secure payments on the go without needing your phone or wallet. Final verdict. The Fitbit Charge 5 is a well-rounded fitness tracker that combines functionality with style. It's packed with advanced health and fitness features that give you a comprehensive view of your wellness. From heart health monitoring to stress management tools and built-in GPS, it provides everything you need to stay active and on top of your health. If you're looking for a fitness tracker that delivers both in-depth health insights and convenience, the Fitbit Charge 5 is an excellent choice. Number 2. On number 2 we have Fitbit Versa 4. It's a versatile smartwatch designed for fitness enthusiasts and everyday users alike. With its sleek design, improved fitness tracking capabilities, and enhanced integration with health metrics, it aims to be a comprehensive wearable for tracking your health and boosting your active lifestyle. Whether you're into running, strength training, or simply want to stay on top of your daily routines, the Versa 4 offers a solid combination of smart features and Fitbit's trusted health tracking technology. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1 is its multi-day battery life. You can enjoy up to more than 6 days of battery life on a single charge, making it convenient for long trips or busy schedules without constant recharging. Number 2. It also offers built-in GPS. You can track your outdoor workouts with more accuracy, including running, biking, and hiking without needing to carry your phone. Number 3. It also provides 24/7 heart rate monitoring. The continuous heart rate monitoring helps you track your resting heart rate, cardio fitness score, and provides personalized insights based on your activity. Number 4. It also has active zone minutes system. This feature helps you get the most out of your workouts by notifying you when you reach your target heart rate zones to maximize fat burn, cardio, and peak performance. Number 5. It also offers Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa built-in. You can stay connected with voice assistants to control smart home devices, set reminders, get quick answers, and more right from your wrist. Number 6. It also provides daily readiness score. You can receive a personalized score each morning that helps you understand whether your body is ready for an intense workout or needs recovery based on your sleep, activity, and heart rate variability. Number 7. It also has sleep tracking and sleep score. It monitors your sleep stages and get detailed insights into the quality of your sleep with personalized sleep scores and tips for improvement. Number 8. It also offers water resistant up to 50 meters. Its swim-proof design makes it ideal for tracking laps in the pool or wearing in the shower, so you don't have to worry about water damage. Number 9. It also has variety of exercise modes. With 40 exercise modes, you can track anything from high-intensity interval training to yoga, helping you stay active no matter your preferred workout style. Final verdict. The Fitbit Versa 4 is a powerful, well-rounded smartwatch that balances fitness tracking with smart technology. It's perfect for those who want to maintain a healthier lifestyle without sacrificing style or functionality. With its long battery life and water resistance, it stands out as a reliable, value-packed wearable for anyone looking to prioritize their health and stay connected. Now talk about number 1. Finally, on number 1, we have Fitbit Sense 2. It's a premium health-focused smartwatch designed to provide a comprehensive approach to wellness. Packed with advanced health monitoring tools, it caters to fitness enthusiasts and individuals who prioritize mental and physical well-being. With its sleek design, improved sensors, and smart features, the Sense 2 empowers users to take control of their health with actionable insights and real-time tracking, making it the most advanced wearable in Fitbit's lineup. Now talk about its notable key features. Number 1 key feature is its advanced stress management. The Fitbit Sense 2 introduces an upgraded body response sensor that continuously monitors electrodermal activity to detect stress levels throughout the day. Combined with heart rate, sleep patterns, and skin temperature, it provides personalized insights into stress management. Number 2. It also has comprehensive health monitoring. The watch offers 24/7 heart rate tracking, SpO2 monitoring, skin temperature variation, and ECG to detect irregular heart rhythms, giving users a complete picture of their health. Number 3. It also offers sleep tracking and insights. With Fitbit's advanced sleep tracking algorithms, the Sense 2 offers in-depth analysis of your sleep stages, providing detailed insights into the quality of your rest and recommendations to improve it. Number 4. It also provides built-in GPS and workout modes for fitness enthusiasts. The Fitbit Sense 2 offers built-in GPS for tracking runs, hikes, and rides without the need for a phone. It also includes over 40 workout modes to track various activities accurately. Number 5. It also offers long battery life. Despite its advanced features, the Fitbit Sense 2 boasts a battery life of up to 6 days, ensuring it can keep up with your busy lifestyle without constant recharging. Number 6. It also has Google integration and smart features with Google Maps and Google Wallet support. Sense 2 enhances convenience, allowing you to navigate, make contactless payments, and stay connected on the go. Number 7, it also provides customizable health alerts. You can get real-time notifications if your heart rate goes above or below your normal range, giving you timely alerts for any potential health issues. Final verdict. The Fitbit Sense 2 is an impressive all-rounder that excels in both health monitoring and fitness tracking. Its vast array of health features, long battery life, and seamless integration with the Fitbit ecosystem make it worth the investment. Whether you're aiming to improve your fitness, manage stress, or keep an eye on your heart health, the Sense 2 offers the tools you need to take charge of your wellness journey. And there you have it, the top best Fitbit smartwatches you should buy to stay fit, connected, and ahead of your goals. If any of these caught your eye, don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more great recommendations.